One mature coconut can become far more than a single product. Inside this factory,
The journey begins with mature coconuts, protected by a thick natural husk and packed with valuable materials.
Once the coconuts reach the right maturity, the harvest begins, carefully collecting the fruit that will soon enter the processing chain. After harvesting, the mature coconuts are collected and organized before beginning their journey to the processing facility.
Each batch is weighed and recorded before the coconuts leave the plantation for industrial processing. The harvested coconuts are loaded for transport to a specialized facility where every part of the fruit can be put to use. At this massive processing facility, the coconut begins a transformation that will eventually create 6 different products.
Before the production line begins, each batch is inspected to make sure the coconuts are suitable for complete multi-product processing.
The first major transformation begins as powerful machinery removes the thick outer husk.
The thick coconut husk is separated instead of being discarded because its natural fibers can become useful coir products.
Once the outer husk is removed, the hard shell is inspected before the coconut is opened and its valuable contents are separated.
With the husk removed, specialized equipment carefully opens the hard shell to reveal the coconut water and white coconut meat inside.
The first valuable product is collected as fresh natural coconut water flows from the opened coconuts into a dedicated processing system.
The freshly extracted coconut water is filtered. This removes unwanted particles before continuing through the line.
Samples of the natural coconut water are tested to verify its quality before further processing and packaging.
Once the coconut water is collected, the hard shell becomes a separate material stream, while the valuable white coconut meat continues toward food.
The white coconut meat is now carefully removed from the inner shell, becoming the main ingredient for several more products. The freshly separated white coconut meat is cleaned carefully before entering the next stage of multi-product processing.
In just a few stages, one coconut has already become several valuable streams: coconut water, white coconut meat.
The clean white coconut meat now enters a precision grinding system, preparing it for several different product streams.
These fine coconut shavings contain valuable natural fat and moisture. They are the foundation for the next 3 products.
The grated coconut meat is mixed and pressed, releasing a rich, creamy coconut liquid known as coconut milk.
The freshly extracted coconut milk is filtered to create a smoother and more consistent product.
Samples of the creamy coconut milk are tested to ensure consistent quality before packaging.
The same coconut meat can now be pressed again to recover its valuable natural coconut oil. The extracted coconut oil is filtered to remove remaining particles and create a clean, refined oil.
Before packaging, the coconut oil is tested to verify its clarity, quality, and consistency.
The solid coconut press cake is not wasted. It is dried carefully before being transformed into fine coconut flour.
Once dried, the coconut press cake is finely milled into a light, powdery coconut flour.
From the same white coconut meat, 3 completely different products have now been created: coconut milk, coconut oil, and coconut flour.
The 3 food products pass their final quality checks and are prepared for storage and distribution. The coconut husk now begins its own transformation, as powerful machinery separates the natural fibers hidden inside it.
After extraction, the natural coconut fibers are cleaned and organized for use in coir products and other industrial applications.
The hard coconut shell begins another transformation as industrial machinery breaks it into carefully sized pieces for carbon processing. Inside a controlled industrial system, the coconut shells are transformed into useful coconut shell charcoal. From one coconut, 6 different products have now been created, each following its own journey through the factory. After final quality checks, the 6 coconut products are organized. and prepared for delivery to different markets and industries.
Some products travel to food markets, while others continue toward industries that use natural coconut fiber and shell materials.
From one mature coconut came coconut water, coconut milk, nan shell fibre, one fruit, 6 remarkable